Problem, what we have to do, let's read the problem first. It's problem 7 from fall 2014, and the problem is if a plus b equals 2c, a, b, and c being vectors, and a minus b equals z, and then we're told that c equals 2i minus 2j, which is where I wrote down right here. We're told that c equals 2i minus 2j, which can also be written like this. Then what is the dot product of a and b? So we know that the vector a equals ax comma ay, those are breaking it down into components, and the vector b equals bx comma by, that's just breaking it down into components. So now that we have that, we also know that if we add ax and bx, we get twice whatever 2i, which is 4. So 4i, or if you know that it's the x component, we can just call it 4. So ax plus bx equals 2 times 2, which equals 4. And then ay plus by equals negative 2 times 2 equals negative 4. We know that. We also know that ax minus bx is just equal to 2. We're told that by the problem. And then ay minus by is equal to negative 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a system of equations in order to find out the components. Find out what the components are for ax and bx. So first we know that ax plus bx equals 4, and we also know that ax minus bx equals 2. So if we kind of crunch it down here, we're going to get that 2ax equals 6, which in turn means that ax equals 3. And then by algebra, we know then that bx equals 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So we find the components of the x components of a and b. Now let's find the y components of a and b. So ay plus by equals negative 4. Ay minus by equals negative 2. So if we crunch this down, we get that 2a, we add these up, these cancel, 2ay equals negative 6, which means that ay equals negative 3, and by equals negative 1, which means that vector a is equal to 3i hat minus 3j hat, and vector v, which we have the components right here, vector v equals I hat, or 1i hat minus j hat. Now we just have to find the dot product of these two vectors, and that is going to be equal to 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6, and that is our answer.